Okay guys, I'm going to make a new squishy box because my squishy box is almost too full, so I can show you a little bit of my squishies. I have this yellow dumpling. Yep, very good. And this green dumpling. It's like the face is almost. And I have this pink dumpling. What is that? Okay, whatever. So, yeah, I have some other thing also like this. I don't know if it's a squish or not. This mini crochet alien, this needle, and this I made by myself. So I can show you the rest. I'm done with the lid, and now I'm going to take this box here. It's actually slime though, but yeah, I'm going to paint it so it's better. And there it goes.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm done with the one side and I filled up so much paint. And I just had to do plenty more of the sides. Okay, so I think I'm done with this side. And now I have just two more.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I painted all the sides and a little bit of the rest. This is the rest of the paint. So I can show you the rest of my squishies. Yay! Okay, so I think I test drive. Let's just see. Yeah, yep. So I just doing stuff in the middle of the time. Okay guys, so this is my scratch. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. So yeah, you can see at the end. It's going to be so good. And the last one, done. So this is my squishy box. It has pricks on all the sides, and let's just see if all of my squishes and slimes fits in there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 7. 8, 9. 10, 11, oh I don't mind needle, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's add the lid on. Okay, to be honest, I don't really know how to do this. There. Oh my god, I'm obsessed.